Once upon a time, in the peaceful village of Harmonyville, there lived a diverse community of individuals who valued respect and unity above all else. The villagers had an ancient code of conduct that emphasized the importance of treating one another with kindness and consideration. This code of conduct was called the Tapestry of Respect. The Tapestry of Respect had 7 key principles, and it was believed that following these principles would lead to a harmonious and prosperous community. However, there were those who chose to disregard these principles, and their actions would soon test the very fabric of Harmonyville. 1. The Deceiver. Among the villagers was a man named Leo, who had a penchant for deceit. He would weave elaborate lies, causing confusion and mistrust within the community. Leo's deceptive ways disrupted the delicate harmony that had existed in Harmonyville for generations. 2. The Bully. A burly and intimidating figure named Gideon was known for his aggressive and cruel behavior. He would belittle and intimidate those he deemed weaker, creating an environment of fear. The villagers could not tolerate such behavior that went against the very essence of respect. 3. The Thief. A cunning individual named Isabella would stealthily pilfer from the hardworking villagers, taking away their possessions and livelihoods. The thefts were a stain on the community, causing a rift among the residents. 4. The Divider. No one was more divisive than Sarah. She sowed seeds of discord among the villagers, pitting them against each other for her amusement. The once close-knit community began to fracture under her influence. 5. The Arrogant. In the heart of Harmonyville lived Benjamin, a man who believed he was above the rules that governed the rest. His arrogance and sense of entitlement left a sour taste in the mouths of those who respected humility and equality. 6. The Litterer. A careless resident named Mia had a habit of littering the beautiful landscape that surrounded Harmonyville. She showed no regard for the environment that had given the villagers life, and this blatant disrespect was a sore spot for the community. 7. The Ingrate. The final miscreant was Henry, a man who showed no gratitude for the collective efforts that sustained the village. He took without giving back and was indifferent to the sacrifices of others. As the actions of these individuals became more pronounced, the harmony of Harmonyville was slipping away, and the villagers grew increasingly disheartened. They convened a council to address the problem and decided to enforce the Tapestry of Respect more rigorously. The council, led by the wise elder Sarah, confronted the culprits, offering them a chance to mend their ways. Those who refused to change found themselves cast out of Harmonyville, their actions deemed incompatible with the values that the village held dear. In the end, Harmonyville rallied around the principles of respect, and those who disrupted its delicate balance were left to wander in search of a community that shared their values. The village of Harmonyville stood as a testament to the power of unity, where respect was cherished above all else, and those who did not uphold it were left to learn the lessons of their actions.